Imagine making money while AI tools do most of the heavy lifting for you. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today we're diving into exactly how freelancers can use AI to boost their income and automate tedious tasks. I'll walk you through several practical ways to leverage AI as a freelancer, even if you're just starting out. So if you're ready to work smarter, not harder, stay tuned. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to automate repetitive tasks with AI tools. One of the biggest time savers for freelancers is using AI to automate repetitive tasks. From organizing files to scheduling social media posts, tools like Zapier and IFTTT can connect different apps and run workflows on autopilot. Imagine you're a social media manager. Instead of manually posting every day, you can set up an automation that schedules posts for you, freeing up your time for other projects. Another great example is using AI for email management. Tools like Sanebox or even Gmail's Smart Reply feature can help you filter through non-urgent emails, prioritize important ones, and even auto-generate responses. You'll be amazed at how much time you can save by automating something as simple as email sorting. Automation doesn't end there. Let's say you're a writer. Tools like Grammarly and Hemingway can help you speed up editing by catching errors and making stylistic suggestions. AI-powered tools make it very easy to work efficiently, so you can take on more clients without burning out. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to create visual content faster with AI. AI tools like Canva's Magic Resize and Adobe Spark can help freelancers in creative fields create visual content much faster. If you're a graphic designer, these tools allow you to quickly resize designs for different platforms without starting from scratch. This means that you can deliver high quality graphics in less time, boosting your hourly rate. Content creators can also benefit too. Tools like Jasper and Copy.ai help generate social media captions or blog headlines. For instance, if you're managing multiple social media accounts, these tools can save hours by giving you quick, relevant text suggestions that match the tone and voice you need. Beyond just visuals, AI can even help with video creation. For example, Lumen 5 can turn blog posts into engaging videos with minimal effort. So if you're a freelance marketer or content creator, these tools expand what you can offer clients and make you more competitive. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is to enhance client communication with AI chatbots. AI chatbots like ChatGPT or ManyChat can help you to stay responsive to clients without needing to be online 24/7. For example, if you're a freelance consultant, you could set up a chatbot on your website to answer FAQs or pre-qualified leads before you even speak with them. This lets you focus on high-value work while still offering excellent client service. Consider using AI to draft initial responses to client inquiries or follow-ups. Tools like ChatGPT can create professional responses, and you can customize them as needed. This is perfect for freelance writers or designers who receive inquiries from clients on a regular basis. Chatbots can also help with lead nurturing. You can set up a sequence that sends automated updates, tips, or case studies to keep potential clients engaged. By the time they reach out to you, they'll already know your value, making it easier to close the sale. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to use AI for market research and data analysis. AI tools like Google Analytics, Tableau, and even SEMrush can analyze data quickly and present actionable insights. Freelancers in marketing, SEO, or e-commerce can use these tools to spot trends, understand customer behavior, and create effective strategies. Imagine you're running ad campaigns. AI can identify which ads are performing best, helping you to optimize your budget. Market research tools powered by AI can also help identify new niches or audiences. For instance, if you're a content writer, you can use tools like BuzzSumo to see which topics are trending in your field, enabling you to pitch fresh ideas to clients. Don't underestimate AI-driven data visualization. A tool like Tableau can turn complex data sets into easy-to-read visuals, making it simpler to share insights with clients. This is a game changer for freelancers who want to deliver impressive reports without hours of manual work. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to boost productivity with AI-powered writing tools. AI writing tools like Grammarly, Pro Writing Aid, and Jasper are invaluable for freelance writers, editors, or even marketers who write client proposals. These tools not only correct grammar but also suggest style improvements, helping you produce polished, professional content much faster. This can be a huge asset for freelancers who need to maintain high quality output under tight deadlines. For example, if you're drafting a blog post, AI tools can offer suggestions on phrasing or word choice, speeding up the editing process. Jasper specifically can even help you generate blog introductions or social media captions, giving you a head start on new projects. These tools aren't just for writers. Freelancers of any type can use them to enhance emails, proposals, or project outlines, ensuring all communication looks sharp and professional. This gives you an edge with clients and helps you establish more credibility. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to build a portfolio website with AI website builders. Using AI website builders like Wix, ADI, or Bookmark makes creating a portfolio website fast and simple, even for non-tech savvy freelancers. These platforms use AI to create professional, customized websites in minutes, making it easy to showcase your work and attract clients. If you're a designer or writer, a portfolio site is essential to demonstrate your skills and your experience. AI can handle tasks like layout design, mobile optimization, and even SEO recommendations. You simply input your business type and preferences, and the AI builds a relevant, functional website. This makes you look polished and accessible without spending days on setup. By investing a little time in an AI-built site, you also increase your online visibility, helping clients find you through search engines like Google. With AI helping you create a stunning, user-friendly website, you'll have a 24/7 marketing tool that brings clients to you. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is to upskill quickly with AI learning platforms. AI-driven learning platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and LinkedIn Learning use AI algorithms to recommend courses and personalize your learning path. If you're a freelancer looking to expand your skill set, these platforms can guide you to the most relevant skills based on current market demand. For example, if you're a designer, these platforms might suggest trending courses in UI or UX or motion graphics based on your previous learning. This allows you to stay ahead without spending hours researching what to learn next. AI learning tools also include interactive practice modules, making it easy to apply new skills. The faster that you can learn and showcase new competencies, the more you can charge as a freelancer, opening doors to higher paying projects. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to offer AI enhanced services to clients. Freelancers can expand their services by offering AI enhanced solutions like SEO optimization using AI driven keyword tools or AI powered analytics reports. If you're a freelance marketer, for instance, tools like Ahrefs or ClearScope can provide advanced SEO insights that enhance your value to clients. Writers can use AI tools to offer blog post generation or content outlines, giving clients quicker turnaround times. This is especially valuable in competitive fields where faster data-driven solutions make a big difference. Clients appreciate freelancers who bring innovation to the table. If you offer unique AI-enhanced services, it helps you stand out in crowded markets and potentially allows you to increase your rates, showing clients you're ahead of industry trends. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is to use AI to scale your freelance business. AI can help you scale by managing more projects without sacrificing quality. Project management tools like Trello, Asana, or Notion use AI to automate reminders and streamline workflows. Let's say you're juggling multiple clients. These tools help keep everything organized and ensure you meet deadlines without the stress. Another example is using AI to track time and productivity. Tools like Rescue Time or Toggle analyze your work habits, helping you find areas where you can improve efficiency. This enables you to take on more projects or simply finish your tasks faster, giving you more freedom in your schedule. By using AI tools to streamline and optimize, you can grow your freelance business, handle a larger workload, and even start outsourcing smaller tasks. This sets the stage for scaling, allowing you to go from a solo freelancer to a full-fledged agency if you choose. Let me now give you tip number 10, which is to leverage AI for personalized client proposals. AI can help freelancers craft personalized client proposals quickly and effectively. Tools like Better Proposals or PandaDoc can use AI to generate proposal templates based on the client's industry, project type, and your past work. This helps you deliver professional, tailored proposals that stand out from generic submissions. For example, if you're a web developer, the AI tool might suggest sections to highlight specific web design elements, project timelines, or relevant case studies based on similar projects that you've completed. This makes it easy to showcase your experience and speak directly to the client's needs. AI-enhanced proposals also include data insights like average conversion rates for specific phrases or keywords, allowing you to optimize your proposal language. A well-crafted AI-assisted proposal not only saves you time, but can also improve your chance of winning the project by showing potential clients you understand their goals and the industry. Okay, so there you have it, 10 powerful tips that you can use. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are hands-on resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate a decent income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up, because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.